Beyond Do Not Disturb, Advanced ESL Pro Tips for Hotel Guests. Welcome back, language enthusiasts. I'm Eric, the founder and teacher at Phrasecamp, and in today's Advanced ESL lesson, we're going beyond the basics. Forget Do Not Disturb signs. We're diving into pro-level English for savvy hotel guests. Ready to unlock the secrets of a truly luxurious stay? Well, let's get started. Number 1, mastering the concierge conversation. The concierge is your key to unlocking amazing experiences. Let's roleplay a conversation with advanced phrases.
Good morning. I was hoping you might be able to assist me in curating a quintessential local experience for this evening.
Absolutely, sir. I'd be delighted to help. What sort of experience did you have in mind?
I'm particularly interested in immersing myself in the local culinary scene. Perhaps you could recommend an establishment that offers a tasting menu showcasing regional specialties.
Certainly. There's an excellent restaurant called Terroir that specializes in modern interpretations of traditional local cuisine. They offer a 7-course tasting menu with optional wine pairings.
That sounds exquisite. Would you be so kind as to secure a reservation for 2 at around 8 p.m? And if it's not too much trouble, could you inquire about any dietary accommodations they might offer? My partner has a shellfish allergy.
Of course, I'll take care of that right away. Is there anything else I can arrange for you? Perhaps a private car service to and from the restaurant?
That would be splendid. Thank you for your impeccable assistance.
Did you catch those phrases? Let's break them down.
I was hoping you might be able to assist me in...
Alright, this one's like saying, hey, can you help me out? It's when you want to ask for help, but want to sound extra nice about it. Like if you're asking your crush to explain some math homework, you'd pull out this fancy phrase.
Curating a quintessential local experience.
Okay, so imagine you're making a best things to do playlist, but for a city. That's what this means. You're picking out all the coolest, most typical stuff that screams, this is our city. It's like when your out-of-town cousin visits and you want to show them the real local experience and not just tourist traps.
Immersing myself in the local culinary scene.
This one's for all you foodies out there. It simply means, I want to eat my way through this place like a champ. You're not just grabbing a quick bite, you're diving head first into all the tasty treats a place has to offer. Think of it as going on a taste adventure.
Would you be so kind as to...
This phrase is like the please with a cherry on top. It's what you'd say if you were asking the Queen for a favor. In real life, you might use it when you really, really want something, like asking your parents for a later curfew.
If it's not too much trouble.
Here's a nifty little phrase to use when you want something but don't want to be a pain about it. It's like saying, I'd like this, but no big deal if you can't. You might use it when asking a busy friend for a small favor, like borrowing a pencil during a test. Number 2, navigating room service like a pro. Room service isn't just for late-night snacks. Let's explore some advanced ways to make the most of this service. Instead of using basic phrases, try these more sophisticated alternatives to elevate your own room experience. They'll not only impress the staff, but might even lead to better service. Instead of,
Can I order breakfast?
try,
I'd like to arrange for an in-room dining experience for tomorrow morning.
This is a fancy way to ask for breakfast in your room. It makes your request sound special, like you're planning a nice meal rather than just ordering food. Rather than
What's good?
ask,
Could you recommend a signature dish that best represents your chef's culinary philosophy?
instead of just asking what's tasty, you're asking about the chef's special dishes. It's like asking, what's the chef most proud of? This shows you're really interested in the food. Instead of
I want it at 8 a.m.
say,
Would it be possible to have the meal delivered at precisely 8 a.m.? I have a rather tight schedule tomorrow morning.
this is a polite way to ask for your food at an exact time. By mentioning your schedule, you're helping the staff understand why the timing is important to you. Pro tip: many high-end hotels offer customized meals. Try saying,
I was wondering if the chef might be able to create a bespoke dish catering to my dietary preferences.
Number 3, spa and wellness services. Let's elevate our language when booking spa services. Okay, let's listen to another dialogue.
Good afternoon. I'm interested in indulging in some of your wellness offerings. Could you enlighten me about your signature treatments?
Certainly. Our most popular treatment is the Tranquility Journey, a 2-hour experience incorporating aromatherapy, hot stone massage, and a facial using local ingredients.
That sounds divine. I'm particularly drawn to holistic therapies. Do you offer any treatments that incorporate mindfulness or meditation practices?
Yes, we do. We have a Mindful Moments package that includes a guided meditation session, followed by a tension release massage.
Wonderful. I'd like to book that, please. Also, would it be possible to request a therapist who specializes in deep tissue work? I carry a lot of tension in my shoulders due to long hours at the computer.
Absolutely. I'll make sure to assign our deep tissue expert to your session.
Notice phrases like indulging in wellness offerings, enlighten me about, and incorporate mindful practices. These elevate your language and make your requests sound more sophisticated. Number 4, handling complaints with grace. Even in the best hotels, things can go wrong. Here's how to address issues like a true diplomat. When problems arise, using polite and sophisticated language can lead to quicker and more satisfactory resolutions. Let's look at some common situations and how to phrase your concerns more elegantly. For a noisy neighbor, instead of
The people next door are too loud.
try,
I hate to be a bother, but I'm finding the noise level from the adjacent room rather disruptive. I wonder if there might be a solution that doesn't inconvenience anyone.
this is a nice way to say there's a noise problem without blaming anyone. It also shows you care about finding a solution that works for everyone. For a reservation mix-up, instead of
You gave me the wrong room.
try,
There seems to be a discrepancy between the room I reserved and the one I've been assigned. Would you mind double-checking your records?
this is a polite way to say there might be a mistake with your room. It asks the staff to check again without accusing them of doing something wrong. For a service delay, instead of
Where's my room service? It's late.
try,
I apologize for the follow-up, but I'm a bit concerned about the status of my room service order. Could you kindly provide an update?
this is a friendly way to ask about a late order. It shows you understand they might be busy, but you still need information about your food. Using these nicer ways of asking for help can often get you better service. It's all about being clear about what you need while still being friendly. And there you have it, phrase campers. You're now equipped with advanced English to navigate hotel stays like a true VIP. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it that can transform your experience. Okay, this concludes today's lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more advanced ESL lessons. Until then, may all your travels be first class. Bye!